Today we're diving into the Vanguard Cash Plus Account, a versatile cash management solution designed to optimize your financial strategy. Typically used for short-term savings and cash management, the Vanguard Cash Plus account offers a plethora of features tailored to meet your financial needs. Throughout this review, we'll explore its features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and also take a look at some available alternatives. Let's kick things off by taking a look at the features of this account. High interest rate. The Vanguard Cash Plus account offers a competitive yield on short-term savings, ensuring that your funds work harder for you. High insurance limit. With a high insurance limit on funds through partner banks, your deposits are protected, providing peace of mind. Fee-free. Enjoy the convenience of fee-free transactions and account maintenance, maximizing the value of your savings. No minimum balance requirement. There's no minimum balance requirement, allowing you to start saving and managing your cash with ease. 24/7 access. Access your account anytime, anywhere with Vanguard's secure online platform and mobile app. Robust support. Benefit from Vanguard's dedicated support team, available to assist you with any inquiries or concerns. The Vanguard Cash Plus account offers a straightforward pricing structure with competitive rates and no hidden fees. Compare this to traditional savings accounts and other cash management options, and you'll find Vanguard's offering to be highly appealing. With its transparent fee schedule and competitive rates, the Vanguard Cash Plus account stands out as a top choice for savvy savers. Navigating the Vanguard Cash Plus account platform is intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring a seamless experience for account holders. Whether you're depositing funds, managing transactions, or just accessing account statements, Vanguard's platform prioritizes simplicity and convenience. The Vanguard Cash Plus account offers a competitive yield, high insurance limit, fee-free transactions, and 24/7 access. However, some users may find that Vanguard's cash management options are limited compared to other financial institutions. Additionally, the account may not be suitable for long-term savings goals due to its focus on short-term cash management. While the Vanguard Cash Plus account excels in short-term cash management, alternatives such as high-yield savings accounts and money market funds offer similar features with varying rates and terms. Consider exploring these options to find the best fit for your financial goals. In conclusion, the Vanguard Cash Plus account emerges as a compelling choice for individuals seeking a secure and flexible cash management solution. With its competitive rates, high insurance limit, and user-friendly platform, Vanguard empowers you to optimize your financial strategy with ease. Don't miss out on the opportunity to maximize your savings. Sign up for Vanguard Cash Plus today through the link in the description. Subscribe to EasyInternet for more insightful reviews and tips. And thank you for watching.